Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our question is x is equal to square root of 2 plus 1. So our job is to find the value of x to the power 7 plus 1 over x to the power 7. So starting our solution as x is equal to square root of 2 plus 1. Let's say it is our equation number 1. Now if we take a reciprocal on both hand side, then we have it is x over 1, so it will be 1 over x, which is equal to 1 over square root of 2 plus 1. Now here 1 over x is equal to 1 over square root of 2 plus 1. So to rationalize this, we have to rationalize this denominator, we have to multiply by conjugate. So here multiply by conjugate, that is square root of 2 minus 1 over square root of 2 minus 1. Now 1 over x is equal to multiplying this one numerators to each other, then we get square root of 2 minus 1 all over. Here we have square root of 2 plus 1 times square root of 2 minus 1. As we know that by exponential, that formula, if we have according to algebraic formula a plus b times a minus b, then it is equal to a squared minus b squared. So applying this formula here, then we get 1 over x is equal to square root of 2 minus 1 all over square root of 2 whole squared minus 1 squared. Then we get 1 over x is equal to square root of 2 minus 1 divided by cancelling square with square root, we have 2 minus 1 squared is 1. So here we get square root of 2 minus 1 all over 2 minus 1 is 1. We have 1 over x is equal to square root of 2 minus 1. Let's say it is our equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2. So adding that equation 1 and equation 2. So we have the left hand side of equation 1 is x and left hand side of equation 2 is 1 over x, which is equal to left hand side of equation 1 is square root of 2 plus 1, and here it is square root of 2 minus 1. Now x plus 1 over x is equal to square root of 2 plus 1. We have to just add, so plus here square root of 2 minus 1. Now this plus 1 minus 1 can be cancelled out. We have the value of x plus 1 over x is 2 times square root of 2. Now if we take squared on both hand side, then we have x plus 1 over x whole squared is equal to 2 times square root of 2 whole squared. Now on left hand side we must use this formula, which is a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So now we are going to use this formula here, and here x plus 1 over x 2 times square root of 2, it is our equation number 3. So applying this formula on our left hand side, then we get, here we have x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 times x times 1 over x is equal to, here 2 squared is 4 and times square root of 2 whole squared, cancelling square with square root. So we have x squared plus 1 over x squared plus cancelling x with x, we get 2 here. So here 4 times 2. Now our next step will be x squared plus 1 over x squared. Shifting this one, we get 4 times 2 is 8 and here it is minus 2. So x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 6. Now taking again square on both hand side, so we have x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 6, taking square on our left hand side and similarly on our right hand side. Here this x squared will be x to the power 4 and plus 1 over x to the power 4, and plus 2 times x squared times 1 over x squared is equal to 6 squared is 36. Now cancelling x squared with x squared, we have x to the power 4 plus 1 over x to the power 4 is equal to 36 minus 2 is 34. So it is our equation number 4. Now we have to recall our equation 3 here. So recalling equation 3, as our equation 3 here, it is x plus 1 over x is equal to 2 times square root of 2. So x plus 1 over x is equal to 2 times square root of 2. Now taking cubed on both hand side, here our left hand side we just use this algebraic identity. Here if we have a plus b whole cubed, then it is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3 times a times b times a plus b. So applying this formula here we have this will be x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x, which is equal to here 2 cubed and times this square root of 2 can be written as square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2. So our next step will be cancelling x with x. We have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. Here we have plus 3 times x plus 1 over x, which is equal to 2 cubed is 8, and it is written as that square root of 2 whole squared times square root of 2, cancelling square with square root. Here we have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times x plus 1 over x, as we know that x plus 1 over x is only 2 times, that is square root of 2. So putting this value here, then we have 2 times square root of 2, which is equal to, here we have 8 times square root of 2. Now our next step will be, here we get it is 2, so 8 times 2 times square root of 2, then x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times 2 is 6 times square root of 2, and here we get 8 times 2 is 16 times square root of 2. Now our next step will be x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, shifting this one to our right hand side, we get 16 square root of 2 and minus 6 times square root of 2. Now x cubed plus 1 over x cubed is equal to 16 minus 6 is 10 times square root of 2. So x cubed plus 1 over x cubed is equal to 10 times square root of 2. Let's say it is our equation number 5. Now we have to multiply equation 4 and equation 5. So it is our equation number 4, that x to the power 4 plus 1 over x to the power 4 is equal to 34. We have to multiply this equation with equation number 5, this one. Now our equation 4, left hand side of equation 4 is x to the power 4 plus 1 over x to the power 4 times, this one is x cubed plus 1 over x cubed is equal to, left hand side of equation 4 is 34, and we have to multiply by this one, so times 10 times square root of 2. Here we have just multiplied equation 4 and equation 5. So multiplying this one, x to the power 4 with x to the power 3, we have x to the power 7. Here plus time plus is plus, so x to the power 4 over x cubed plus x cubed over x to the power 4 and plus 1 over x4 times x cubed, we get x to the power 7, which is equal to 34 times 10 is 340 times square root of 2. Now our next step will be, here we get that x to the power 7, writing this one here 1 over x to the power 7, that is, here x cube is cancelled out with this one, we get only x, and x cube cancelling with this one, we have plus 1 over x is equal to 340 square root of 2. Now here we have x plus 1 over x. So x to the power 7 plus 1 over x to the power 7 plus x over 1 over x, as it is equal to, according to equation number 3, we have x plus 1 over x is equal to 2 times square root of 2. So applying here, then we get 2 times square root of 2, which is equal to 340 times square root of 2. Now we have x to the power 7 plus 1 over x to the power 7 is equal to, shifting this one, we get 340 square root of 2 minus 2 times square root of 2. Now our next step will be x to the power 7 plus 1 over x to the power 7 is equal to 340 minus 2 is 338 times square root of 2. So here we have the value of x to the power 7 plus 1 over x to the power 7. So it is our final answer. Now we are going to just check our entire solution here. I hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.